Then. Just got back from the store, getting a case of 16-ounce beers. Once again, this is Sunday, May 26, 2019. A lot of fucking termite damage to the Raptors. It's supposed to be in there. Remember, I had damn near a whole pack. Fuck. That termite damage ain't no fucking joke.
Shit, no.
Ooh, shit. I didn't realize this roof is damn bad. Damn. So, more money. I see why they say you can't patch your roof up. You heard me? I know I'm talking aggravating, but I see why they say you can't patch your roof.
No, it's going to eventually go bad.
You gotta do the whole damn thing. I'm thinking we could have patched this shit up, but now I see I got a lot of damage to this motherfucker. The whole thing gotta be. No, like they did something with this. You see, they patched it.
Yeah, they patched it. That's what you, I got the rest of it.
And I see now you cannot patch no damn roof. You gotta do it right. You love mommy? Huh? I love you too. I would have been wore out the first 20 minutes. Hell yeah. And once again, I'm going to advertise L&J renovation. One call, that's all. 985. What's Jerome number? What's your number, Jerome? We advertising 985, huh? 415-14. Wait, 1489. All right, 985-415-1489. L&J Renovations does it all. What? Oh man. Hold on, watch out. And that was not for the bird, that was for the rats. Trying to get down. And this is all the material.
We're supposed to see the bird.
You gonna move it, huh?
It's still loud, you just gotta...
Mario. Damn it. And look at this shit. Do birds eat cheese? Mario, you gonna get it off?
Put some gloves on. He got gloves on.
Look at it. Woo! Shit! This motherfucker.
There's a bird there?
And it's full of glue. And ready to attack with that sharp ass beak. Look at it.
I bet you already dead. He just jumped.
Nuh-uh.
Might tie him up.
I'm so scared for it. Here, baby, hold your daddy beer.
This a blue jay.
No, it's not no damn blue jay.
That's a female.
Look at that. Ooh, Lord, look at that mouth. Ready to bite. Ooh, shit. Shit. Ooh. Ooh, fuck. Boy, got that beak wide open, ready to attack.
Oh, that bitch tried to finish up?
Fuck yeah, scared of Mario. You scared, Mario?
Try to get the damn thing off.
Ooh, shit.
I saved one from one of those the other day.
I'm gonna fucking bite your ass. You see my ass. This bird gonna put. They're gonna draw blood from your ass.
I got you.
It ain't gonna be able to fly now.
Not for a minute. Just lost some,
God damn, Jerome.
just lost some wings. I could fly. I was trying to get it with all the shit on it.
Well, leave that on the rest and get that
Yeah.
too.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is right there. They can come. I say one at the when I was working by the church like that.
Well, that's it. All right. Be continuing on these renovations.